The purpose of the lab is to be able to emulate situations of people that have disabilities, for people that don't have disabilities, so that they can understand the complications or the difficulties that people may have just in everyday life.
Most people have limited experience with somebody with a disability, so the purpose of this table is people can come over here and ask whatever questions they want. So that can be questions like, how do you do banking? How do you go grocery shopping? The idea is then you can start asking questions and feel comfortable asking those questions and start getting a better understanding.
One of the things that we've learned over the years is that most web developers, most web designers, they're not intentionally building websites that don't work for people. I mean, nobody goes to work and says, I think I'm going to build a lousy website. And so part of the problem is that they don't know what they don't know.
Empathy is the first step to designing accessible systems. One of the key points that I'd like to get across to developers is to put yourself into the user with the disability's shoes.
Guardian has got the right idea and the right approach in terms of addressing accessibility. It's not just about putting a Band-Aid, fixing things, and then business as usual, that it really is about rethinking the entire approach.
Start with data, understand the problem you're trying to solve, and then widen your target audiences to include people of varying abilities, and then go live with them, empathize with them, ride along with them, shadow them as they try to tackle these problems themselves, because I think it opens up a world of possibilities for the design.
We're incorporating empathy into all of our projects. On the customer experience team especially, we're looking at experiential journey maps where we put ourselves in the client's shoes and walk through an entire journey.
As a guardian, you reach out to people to help out people. That's a responsibility of a guardian, to make sure that the others get what they deserve. So I think this empathy lab has brought out that thing in me.
We're really trying to train our people how to design accessibly, how to code accessibly, how to test accessibly. We actually incorporate real users who are disabled so they can give us that qualitative feedback. Guardian cares about its customers. Being a guardian, it really means that we're here to take care of our customers. You're making it right for all audiences. So, we really, I think, have to move away from this as sort of a special use case, right? But more so, we're trying to improve the experience for folks with and without disabilities.